Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee with Dara, offering motivation and encouragement to the world. So I just think it's appropriate that this topic is try your best. Why does the teacher Dara always say try your best? Because when you try your best, you really do your best, seriously. It's something I personally live by, and it's something I used to say to my students all the time. My students, you know who you are. And I say this to my fellow teachers or anyone who's in my life because trying your best is more about the effort that you put into yourself and into your work. It's not about perfection. It's not about being the loudest one in the room or, you're sneaking behind the bulletin board like, I don't want nobody to see me. No, you have to be seen. You have to go out there and you have to just do your very best, because when you do, you'll feel better, and that's when your accomplishments will come true. So try your best and you'll do your best. Guess what came in the mail today? Say it with me. Try your best. Mama ESL?
Yes, try your best.
And Mama ESL wants you to know to
make a purchase and support a very good cause. To get the knowledge and the experience and just have something cutesy by your side every day that will make you smile.
You see how I'm smiling? Let me just say, Mama ESL is the reason why all this is happening, okay? If you have someone in your life who loves you and supports you, you have to put respect on their name, seriously. And of course, I thank God every day, because without him, I'm nothing. So the notebook is, I have my copy. Mama ESL has her copy. We have tote bags, we have t-shirts, books. Try your best. No excuses. Why? Because when you try your best, you certainly
do your best.
Amen, Mama ESL.
Try your best.
Try your best.
Yeah.
And buy my book, please. I would appreciate it. So I'll show the book. That's right. No excuses. No excuses. Here we go. Yes, the AppliedESL Life Skills Student Workbook 3, and it's now part of a series. So we have book 1, 2, and 3. No excuses. Love you.